Mandaki Mutta.
Hand sticking out. That place I'm gonna put sewing because my shell also in the egg. God, masterpiece. This is caramel in the dough. You like it, guys? And it's so much better than the other chef. The other chefs always lie with me. Why you want salt?
Yes, I want salt.
Okay.
What is this? Can I eat this?
Yeah.
You put so much pepper. If you break it, you are not a good chef.
I'm sorry.
This is the challenge for you.
Okay. I never bake it. I want just a piece. Okay. Time to flip it. Time to flip it.
Yes.
Guys. This is much better.
Okay. Yes. You did it. Hey, don't do that.
But this is look like a special deal for my daddy. Guys, I'm spilling water. Making tea. Okay. Now, next thing. So, guys, we're gonna add some leaves. Mint leaf. Some did more because this is my special. That's enough. Little bit more. Oh, drop some. That's enough. Now next is the greatest thing in my world. Sugar. Yes, add some little bit sugar. Little more. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. My lights fall out. So tasty. And little more. Now I need 4 scoops. 1. That's enough. You don't need too much sugar. Now we need cardamom. So this is cardamom. So I'm gonna pour. Ooh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
This is Mohabbat.
This is not Mohammed. This is a Rifa, Guatemala.
And wait.
Now wait for boiling. Oh yeah. Look at my dance moves. 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 Look at my dance. You just cut that off. Now we're gonna wait for a minute and a half. So it has. I can put some light. So we need lots of bubbles to have it. Stir is we need to have bubbles and then we need to stir. That's why I'm letting it sit and just adding light because Who is I do that? Guys, I'm sorry because I have no spoon, so I have some grapes. I can eat. Now
time for tea powder.
time for tea powder. Little bit boil. Little bit more. Now we're gonna start. Now boiling. It's gas off, so I can stir it. Yummy. So yum, guys. You want to taste it? Okay. It's too hot, I'm sorry. But you want to try again? Okay. It's a little bit hot, so you're going to leave it. So this is hot, so my mom will help me, guys. So my mom is just doing it for me. And now this little bit mix for the tea party. You want some tea?
Check it. Sugar.
I want to check it sugar. Hi guys. So I like sunflower seeds so much. So I add a little bit, and I will add little decorating with this tea. First, I will start with the cup. So cup, I will do so many things. Some leaves, some agar or zambo. Now for the tea. So the last is the decoration. And I like decoration. So 1, 2, 3. Now we need to mix. So my mom will give me a little bit stir, and then it will be a special tea. And I want to decorate this a little bit. Guys, I'm so excited to taste my tea. And I'm so excited, so let's get started. It's a little bit hot or not, guys? So perfect. So I like this tea so much. It's so good. And I'm gonna try this seed, but I can't open it. But my mom will open it for me. It's so hard. I can't. This is sunflower seed, but inside of it, a seed is there. But you're gonna want to eat it. I can eat it because it's so young, and I love it. No, guys, I enjoy my Jabeel Jais